Hey, 600, I heard you, man, but somebody dropped that Cat Mickey Mall. Hey, 600, I heard you, but somebody dropped that Cat Mickey Mall, man, and it was a big mall. Hello to you, 600, your buzz at Northwest Corner, and I bang. Hey, 45, am I gonna have to come on around Wisconsin, man, before you stop making all that noise, tell me what somebody doing in your Cat Mickey radio, and you can't say hello. Now, 45, I'm gonna ask you this one time, and then I'm gonna move on. 45, your buzz at Northwest Corner, and I bang. I guess that 502 got that hammer down coming out of Cali. Know that about? I guess that 502 got that hammer down coming to 45 radio. So I'm about to get on out of the way, man. Show is your buzz it up around the Northwest Corner, and I bang.
This a Blockbuster pass and do good evening time to you, Buzzard Blockbuster in the Bayou Country.
Isn't that a riot, Blockbuster? You did what you had to do when you did it, and you did it in style. Hey, Blockbuster, I thought I heard you, Cat Mickey. I ain't never spoke to you before, but that's what I thought I heard, but I had to have you to do it again so I'd make sure I got it right. Mr. Blockbuster, your buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County Oregon, and I'm right back. Let's go.
Hello to you, Buzzard, 3-5 and 1 in the bushes.
Hello, 3-5. I gotta spoke at you. I guess I lost Blockbuster. Who Blockbuster got his block busted? No doubt about it. Hello, 350 Buzzer right back.
Hey, Buzzard, that was 3-5 and 1, Northwestern Illinois.
All right, 351. You said I gotta get it right. Hey, 351. You said I gotta get it right. All right, then 351. You corrected me, Cat Mickey. You came in there and you did what you had to do when you did it. You did it in style too. Hey, Mr. 351, your buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County Oregon? Come on.
Getting up.
And now the riot 351. I finally got you on the gate, Cat Mickey. Hey, 351, my friend on that end at the top side of Illinois. It took me a few minutes and I recognized the voice and said, oh, hell no, that's the cat. Hello, Cat 351, buzzer right back. Let's go. And that a riot, Sylvester the Cat, no doubt about it, man. You told me to tell them ducks in the room that you doing what you gotta do right now, and you coming into Buzzard County like you own the Cat, nigga, man. I'm about to charge you some taxes. Hello to you, Sylvester the Cat, Mr. 351, your buzz in Northwest Corner, and our bank. Come on.
Alright, and then Buzzard, I don't know where you're at in that gate. Look down the man that guy down there. Hey, Buzzard, oh, 3, 5, and 1. I'm working my striker. My 655 striker. Hey, Buzzard, the striker got down. 3, 5, 1. I'm gone. Bye, 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 bye.
And that's a Brother Riot. And that's a Brother Riot. Ooh, them boys hear you, Sylvester. Sylvester the Cat, them boys heard you. They talked in the room, no doubt about it. Good evening, good afternoon. One more time, Mr. Sylvester the Cat. Yo, buzzing up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon? Let's go.
Hell no, Buzzard. Minnesota Miles. 266. Minnesota's up.
Say it again, Carpet. Carpet, say it again. Go ahead.
That man cut his shit, slap the fuck off.
Shit! Mouse, set your ass down, I beg.
Hey, I just wanted to know that my green light is still good, right? Oh,
That cat nigga came in there and said, Mouse, he hit you one time. He said, no. Mouse, you better do something. You lose the condition. Get your head out of that trap.
there ain't nothing. He can't get over me to save his life. That little 2-pill ain't gonna pull it out. 266 said it, and I'm back out. That little Beaumont Texas.
Ooh, 351. Sylvester the Cat. That cat nigga said you'll be sitting on that 2-pill before it do anything. It's got to get through you first. Hey, Mouse, get on out and stop being so mean and nasty. Mouse, your buzz is right back. Let's go.
I'm just showing that black. I'm just showing that black to the box still. Come on. Break around in northwest corner.
Ooh, you got a whole bunch of people behind you, Mouse. Mouse, is you the Pied Piper? Hey, Mouse, I want to know if you the Pied Piper. Come on.
Go, right? Oh, I'm right. Damn, that thing's loud as hell, ain't it? I want to go down and work on it. Go around and northwest corner. Go around and northwest corner. Here, let me turn my audio down a little bit. I just turned down a little bit so I ain't jumping all over poor Sylvester. I might step on his tail, you know.
I don't know why you want to do Sylvester like that, but you know paybacks are mine Frank, don't you? Hey, Mouse, you know paybacks are mine Frank. All right, Mouse, I'm going to get on out. I got the rest of the band tied up messing with you and Sylvester the Cat 351. Mouse, take care. Good job. Hey, Sylvester, good job, Cat Nigga. You on the gate to that Cat Nigga. Mouse came out there, man, and sprung that trap. Sylvester, Mouse, Buzz, and I shut it down.
No dynamite. Who been calling me? I was going to come back up in there, but you decided not to. Damn it.
As I end this gate, yo buzz it up round the northwest corner and I bang. Good day.